Hi guys, it's Katie. Today I'm sharing one of my absolute favorite cakes, the rainbow crepe cake. It's super tasty, creamy and so moist. I promise you'll fall in love from the very first bite. If you'd like to support my channel, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more delicious and beautiful desserts.